Are you looking at backpack sprayer? Backpack sprayers are essential tools for gardeners and farmers. They help apply fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides evenly. Choosing the right one saves time and reduces effort. You need to consider factors like tank capacity, nozzle type, and pump mechanism. A larger tank suits big gardens, while adjustable nozzles offer flexibility. List 1. Field King 1903-28 Backpack Sprayer. 4-gallon. Experience effortless spraying with the Field King 1903-28 Backpack Sprayer. The 4-gallon capacity is perfect for larger areas. Equipped with an internal no-leak pump, it ensures reliable performance. Enjoy powerful spraying with a 150 psi pressure. Comfortable straps make carrying easy for prolonged use. Ideal for gardens, lawns, and more. Advantages: perfect for garden enthusiasts. The Field King Backpack Sprayer offers reliability. Its internal, no-leak pump design ensures a mess-free experience. Ideal for precise spraying, delivering 150 psi pressure with ease. Easy to carry, this sprayer holds 4 gallons comfortably. Lightweight design reduces strain on the back during long use. Adjustable straps provide added comfort for diverse body types. Durable construction enhances its longevity, saving money over time. High-quality materials resist wear and tear in tough environments. Built to withstand various chemicals without damage. Versatile applications make it suitable for different spraying tasks. Useful in gardens, lawns, and even for pest control. The efficient design caters to both small and large areas. List number Chapin 60114 Made in USA 4-gallon backpack sprayer. Crafted in the USA, the Chapin 60114 backpack sprayer offers reliable performance with its 4-gallon capacity. Ideal for gardens, this translucent white sprayer ensures effortless plant care. The 3-stage filtration system minimizes clogs, delivering smooth spraying action. Ergonomic design provides comfort and ease during extended use. Perfect for lawns, weeds, and pest control. Advantages: the Chapin 60114 backpack sprayer makes gardening easy and efficient. Translucent tank helps monitor fluid levels easily. No guessing needed. 3-stage filtration system ensures clean spray every time. Goodbye clogs. Comfortable straps reduce fatigue during long spraying sessions. Less strain. Versatile design suits gardens, lawns, and pest control tasks. Multi-purpose. Made in USA guarantees quality and durability. Built to last. List number Solo 425 4-gallon piston backpack sprayer. Wide pressure range up to 90 psi. Experience effortless gardening with the Solo 425 backpack sprayer. This 4-gallon sprayer offers a wide pressure range up to 90 psi for precise control. Perfect for large gardens or small yards. Comfortable straps make carrying easy. Durable design ensures long-lasting use. Keep your plants healthy and thriving. Advantages: effortless spraying with a wide pressure range up to 90 psi. This feature allows precise control over application rates. Ideal for different spraying needs. Comfortable design enhances user experience during long hours of work. The backpack style distributes weight evenly, reduces fatigue and strain. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. Built to withstand tough conditions, ensures consistent spraying over time. Versatile usage for gardens, lawns, and commercial spaces. Suitable for various applications, from pest control to fertilization. Adapts to different tasks easily. List number Petra Tools battery-powered backpack sprayer 4-gallon, 6 hours long battery life. Discover the Petra Tools battery-powered backpack sprayer. Designed for ultimate comfort and efficiency. A 4-gallon capacity ensures fewer refills for your gardening tasks. Enjoy up to 6 hours of uninterrupted spraying with its long-lasting battery life. Padded straps make carrying easy, reducing strain during use. Equipped with 6 spray nozzles, it offers versatility for various needs. Adjustable pressure up to 90 psi ensures precise application every time. Advantages: enjoy extended use with a 6-hour battery life. Less recharging. 6 spray nozzles provide versatile spraying options for different needs. Padded straps ensure comfort during long garden tasks. Adjustable pressure up to 90 psi. Control your spraying power. 4-gallon capacity minimizes refilling. Saves time and effort. List 5. Battery-powered backpack sprayer, 4-gallon. Experience effortless spraying with the Vaxmate battery-powered backpack sprayer, perfect for garden enthusiasts and professionals alike. This 4-gallon sprayer delivers consistent power with its 100 psi capability. Comes equipped with a telescopic wand and 5 versatile nozzles. Powered by a Makita 18V battery, ensuring reliability and efficiency. Includes a 2.6 Ah battery and charger. Ready for action. Advantages: easy to use with Makita 18V battery compatibility. No cords. Sprayer offers 100 psi power, ensuring efficient coverage. Less effort. Comes with 5 nozzles for various spraying needs. Versatile. Telescopic wand allows reaching difficult spots easily. Convenient. Includes 2.6 Ah battery and charger. Ready to go.